Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload the badge system or the badges into Schedugram to go out at a later date. So you want to go to the account. Here we're logged in as Emily, and click Upload Post, and from here you will click Upload. And previously it was saved down into their appropriate folder. So in this particular case, we're going to do the 2,000 meter row badge for 2 clients. So we'll grab that one. Okay. And then here, to make it a carousel post, if there's more than 1 people for this particular badge. So we go here and we go to the other client. Click that, hit confirm, and then go back over to the badge system SOPs, and you just copy this text here, put it in here, okay. And then, like it says in the SOPs, insert badge level requirement. All right. Bronze, in this particular one, using the badging parameters, the row for 2,000 meters, the bronze, silver, gold level is 10, 8, 7 minutes or less. So we'll go back. Is for athletes that finished in 10 minutes or less. Eight minutes or less, and 7 minutes or less. Put 5 periods, then click the hashtags and do the appropriate hashtags, which for this will probably be all but the nutrition related ones. But this is the most important one, post to Facebook, because that sets it up to automatically push over to Facebook. Click OK, and let's see. If you can, this doesn't always work, but tag people just by going in here, okay, and then trying to find and tag them. It does not always work, though. In this particular case, it won't work. So we do that, and location. Select Sigma CrossFit, and the time and date. Usually we like to send this out on the we'll do this one on Saturday, either at 7 p.m. on a weekday. So we'll do on this particular one 7 p.m. on this Friday, or Saturday or Sunday at around 8 to 9 p.m. Click OK. And hit submit.